Right, let's talk about how government decisions can affect your money. Every decision the government makes, whether it's spending, regulation, or taxation, affects inflation, interest rates, and ultimately the purchasing power of your paper money in circulation. So governments have a mandate to maximize employment, help the economy grow, and help the central bank maintain inflation around their target. In most advanced economies, the inflation target is around 2%. Now, when governments increase spending, this is to fuel economic growth and maximize employment. But too much spending can lead to inflation. And this is exactly what happened in 2020 after COVID. Governments printed money, and the supply of goods and services couldn't keep up with the demand and spending, which is why your money lost purchasing power after COVID when there was rapid inflation all over the world. Now, on the other hand, when inflation gets out of control, governments will raise taxes and cut spending. And they do this to slow down the economy and get inflation back down to their target. As higher taxes will cause consumers to cut back on spending, causing the purchasing power of paper money in circulation to go up in value because prices are starting to fall. Now, government spending always causes a reaction in the financial markets. When governments increase spending to maximize employment and help stimulate economic growth, the stock markets always rise in value because investors are going to buy the stocks of companies in anticipation that government spending will drive up employment, and that will help drive consumer spending and ramp up the earnings of companies. However, too much government spending may cause the central bank to have to raise interest rates to bring down prices back down to their 2% target and cause the currency to go up in value in the Forex markets. And this is why it's so vitally important that you learn how government spending can affect the stock markets, the currency markets, so you can anticipate what the market's going to go next so you can profit from your investments. So click the links below if you'd like to learn more about how government spending affects the stock markets, the currency markets, the gold markets, the crypto markets, because you're going to be able to get an edge in your trading when you're investing in the markets.